Good morning, students. Today we will complete our exercise 2C. Exercise 2C, question number 7. The product of two numbers is 15 5 by 6. If one of the number is 2 3 by 8, find the other number. Now, let the other number be x. Now, according to question, the question is saying that product of two numbers is 15 5 by 6 and one number is 2 3 by 8. Then 2 3 by 8 and product of x is equals to 15 5 by 6, right? Now we have to find the value of this x. तो ये जो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है इससे मिक्स फ्रैक्शन, ये हम ट्रांसपोर्ट करेंगे टू द राइट साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन. और जब वेरिएबल से कोई मिक्स फ्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लाई होता है और हम उसे ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं राइट साइड पे, तो वो डिवीजन में जाता है. देन x इज इक्वल्स टू 15 5 by 6 जो ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है, और 2 3 by 8 कहाँ आ जाएगा? डिवीजन में आ जाएगा 15 5 by 6 के. Now we have to solve this and then we get the value of x. First solve this mixed fraction. 15 6 90 plus 5 is 95 upon 6 divided by 8 2 16. 16 plus 3 is 19 by 8. Now how do we perform the division? We convert the division sign into multiplication, और डिवीजन के बाद वाला जो आपका फ्रैक्शन है उसका रेसिप्रोकल लिख देते हैं. 18 अपॉन 19. 5 जा 95, 2 3 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8, 5 4 जा 20 अपॉन 3, और we can write 20 upon 3 in the mixed fraction form. 6 3 ja 18, 6 2 by 3 is the answer. Next is our question number 9. The area of rectangle is 10 2 by 3 square centimeter and the length is 4 by 9 centimeter. Find the width of the rectangle. Yes, children, area of rectangle is what? L into B. Area is given, length is given and width हमसे पूछी गई है. तो इस फॉर्मूले में हम वैल्यूज़ रख दें. एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज 10 2 by 3 square centimeter. Area is equals to L into B. L is 4 by 9 and B we have to find. Now again we have to transport this 4 by 9 to the other side because we have to find the value of B only. B is equals to 10 2 upon 3. 4 by 9 कहाँ जाएगा? 10 2 by 3 के डिवीजन में जाएगा, right? Now B is equals to 30 plus 2 32 upon 3 divided by 4 by 9, और we convert डिवीजन साइन इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन, और बाद वाला जो फ्रैक्शन है वो हमारा रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ B विल बी 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9, 4 1 जा 4, 4 8 जा 32, 8 3 जा 24 centimeter will be the width. Now next question is question number 12. Ashima bought 21 by 2 feet of rope for the new playground bridges being built for the camp. If each bridge requires 6 5 by 6 feet of rope, how many bridges can be made? Now length of rope for one bridge will be given 6 5 by 6 feet. Let the number of bridges to be made is equals to x, and total length of rope is given 21 by 2 feet. तो अगर वन ब्रिज बनना होता तो हम क्या लिखते, कितनी रोप चाहिए होती है हमें, 6 5 by 6 फीट. लेकिन अगर x नंबर ऑफ ब्रिजेस बनाने हैं तो टोटल रोप कितनी चाहिए होगी, x इंटू 6 5 by 6 फीट, राइट. एंड टोटल लेंथ ऑफ रोप इज गिवन, दैट इज 21 by 2. Number of bridges into length of one rope is equals to the total length of the rope. Now we have to find the value of x. Then 6 5 by 6 will transport to the right side, और वो कहाँ जाएगा, डिवीजन में जाएगा, बिकॉज यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो उधर किस में जाएगा, डिवीजन में. नाउ सॉल्व दिस. 40 + 1 41 by 2, 6 6 36 + 5 41 by 6. डिवीजन विल कन्वर्ट इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन, और 41 by 6 का हम लिख देंगे रेसिप्रोकल, दैट इज 6 by 41. 41 से 41 कैंसिल, 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6. So there can be 3 bridges made. Hence 3 bridges can be made by the given rope. Next is question number 13. For the music show rehearsal, a studio allocated 3 1 by 3 hours for practice, and there are 5 students who need to practice. If each of them gets the same time for rehearsal, how much time each will get? Now, the total time for rehearsal allocated is 3 1 by 3 hours, and the total number of students will be 5. Then each student will get the rehearsal time will be total time divided by the number of students. Then first we solve this mixed fraction. 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10 by 3 divided by 5. Now there is no denominator in the 5, so write 1. Now 10 by 3, division का sign multiplication में convert हो जाएगा, and 5 by 1 will become 1 by 5. 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10. So 2 by 3 hours. But we can convert this time into minutes also. 2 by 3 hours को अगर आपको मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना है तो उसे किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, 60 से. 62 जा 120 upon 3, that is 40 minutes. Hence each student will get 40 minutes for rehearsal. That is all for today, students, and I am sending you the pic of this exercise, and you have to complete question number 8, 10 and 11 for homework. Thank you.